Enhancements to Cost Center Accounting. In Attaché BI version 3.0, significant enhancements were made to Cost Center Accounting. The aim of this project is to introduce a cost center in the General Ledger as a second dimension to the General Ledger account code, which will allow users to simplify their chart of accounts and to create reports of income and expenses associated with cost centers. For this to be possible, transactions entered in all modules must have the ability to be associated with the cost center. Also, when posted to General Ledger, the cost center information must be included. Before going into detail on each one, below is a summary of enhancements to Cost Center Accounting in Attaché BI version 3.0. Transactions in all modules can now be associated with cost centers. Previously, only customer, supplier, and payroll transactions could be associated with cost centers. Now, products and fixed assets transactions can also be associated with cost centers. Cost centers are now included in General Ledger postings from all modules. Once the transactions from submodules are posted to General Ledger, the associated cost centers are also included in the postings. Previously, only cost centers from customer and supplier transactions were included in General Ledger postings. Apart from the submodules, the General Ledger transactions themselves can now be associated with cost centers. This includes journals, payments, receipts, and bank statements. Since the data is now available in the General Ledger transaction tables, custom reports of cost center income and expenses can be created. Standard cost center reports will be added to the General Ledger at a later date. We welcome your input on which reports are required.